Here at the river right now. Pretty nice out. Usually, you know, if you come here earlier in the year, this water is, you can't even, there's no shore here. So the water has gone in a little bit, more space, which is nice. This is a perfect little shore. Most places that I have found are just, you know, they're just crowded with people. If you go to a big lake or if you go to a river spot, there's usually just hundreds of people there, so you don't really have any privacy. Those are usually, I mean, some of the best spots, but this is it's a little earlier in the morning. It's like probably only 11:30, so it's not as hot as it will be today. It's supposed to be like 95 today. But yeah, this water is really cold, and nice little place, calm place to kind of take a little dip, which I have many times. Perfect little, I wish it was a little sandier, but it's okay. Might have to hide a beach chair down here for myself. Might be some dudes coming down here to fish. I don't see many fish in there, but who knows. So yeah, cool spot. There's a Grateful Dead, someone spray painted Grateful Dead over there, and some random graffiti down here. It's a good spot to tag for these people. I think that says lizard over there in this spot. Maybe some fresh feces right here, which probably these little things are swirling around. I don't know. Definitely has been some drug activity down here before, though, safe to say. Under the Bridge, isn't that it's a Red Hot Chili Pepper song. Anyways, guys, this is the cool spot. This is where I like to go because it's secluded. Took the Yamaha here, so can't quite jump off that bridge. There are some bridges around here which I have jumped off. The water is definitely not deep enough, but there are definitely some bridges here you can jump off. Okay, so give a thumbs up for this location, or a thumbs down. If you don't like this location, give it a thumbs down and say, oh my gosh, this location is so stupid. So you need to get in that water. You need to jump off that bridge to get a thumbs up. I don't care either way. Alright guys, have a good day.